Once, a young man was passing by a street where he saw an old man sitting on the roadside begging for money. That old man was sitting there with an empty bowl kept in front of him, and a cardboard sign was kept beside that empty bowl. On cardboard cutout, it was written like this: "Blind, please help." Young man noticed that despite it was rush hour and many people were passing by that old man, yet no one was giving him any money. The young man felt very sad that no one was helping that old man or giving him any money. Suddenly, the young man, thinking as creative, he went to that old man and took his cardboard in his hand. He then took out a thick marker pen out of his pocket. He turned the cardboard sheet back to front and then he rewrote something on the cardboard and he went on his way. The old man noticed that someone was there writing something on the board but didn't say anything. In a few minutes, that empty bowl was filled with money. The old man noticed that and he stopped a stranger and asked him what was written on that cardboard. Stranger replied, "It says, 'It is a beautiful day. You can see it, I cannot.'" So, this simple creative thing would have been changed the people's mind. There was an astronautics event conducted in the class of 10th standard. In that event, a science teacher was explained about gravity force to the all students. The teacher asked one question to the all students: "How does pen write?" All students gave reply like that: "By the gravity force, the ink would have come downwards on the nib end and we can write at all." The teacher said, "I have a pen. It is not an ordinary pen. This is so expensive. We can write at any angle by this pen. No need to gravity force to write. It is only manufactured for use on space. Because of there is no gravity on the space, we cannot write anything by the ordinary pen. That is why this pen is so expensive." That moment, every student was listening all things, but one student was thinking creatively. He raised his voice that, "Teacher, I have an idea." The teacher asked, "What?" "Why don't we use pencil on the space instead of using this expensive pen? There is no need to gravity force to write by pencil and also we can write at any angle, teacher." The teacher was really stunned. So all student was listening what teacher said, but one student was listened and observed and focused on that topic. So we need to observe one thing that our creative thinking ability is enhanced only when we are absolutely intention to the process in which way we are involved. Do uplift your creativity.